Mitu, a parrot raised by Grandma Shanti, never learned to fly. He was pampered with sweets, slept on soft pillows, and listened to bedtime stories. But whenever he tried to fly, he'd fall or flap in circles. One day, Grandma fell sick. The medicine was only available in the next village. No one could leave. Roads were flooded. Mitu looked at Grandma, then at the sky. For the first time, he flew. Not perfectly, not fast, but with all his heart. He reached the herbal healer, carried back a note, and helped save Grandma's life. From then on, Mitu flew every day. Moral: when love is the reason, even broken wings can rise.